Hello everybody, welcome to Impressive Image Maker channel. This is Toshi Yagi from beautiful little island Okinawa, Japan. I'm a photographer. I shot this image for a long time ago. Well, 35mm reverse of film. I have this image and also I made this pencil drawing type image by Adobe Photoshop used filter called Find Edges. Well, pre-details. Actually, I made some different sort of oil paint type image last year, a couple months ago, and I want to try some kind of color pencil drawing type image illustration from these two today. Well, let's get started. I'm gonna check this changing blend mode to see what it looks like. Well, this is the color burn. These are the base of the oil paint last couple months ago. Well, this time I want to try this pencil drawing type image. Is pretty nice though. Overlay, go lighter. The color is interesting. Pin light. That's cool. Well, luminosity again. It's very interesting, this effect. Luminosity effect. Well, I'm gonna select this first. Nice magenta on her face and pretty interesting. Well, okay, I'm gonna select both and make group. Now duplicate group, then flatten this image as a base image. Pretty much, I don't know if it's maybe color is kind of thin, so I'm going to duplicate this layer. Then let's see. Beforehand I'm going to bring this pencil drawing type image blend mode. Bring back to normal, then turn it off, this group. Now, then I'm going to check this, one of the luminosity effect layer, change blend mode. Let's see, it goes a little more darker, yep. Linear burn, goes pretty much dark. This is pretty, I guess, too dark. Color burns maybe nice opacity, tone, maybe density, Okay, change to color burn. Then I'm gonna merge down. Now we got the color burn, luminosity effect layer, double duplicate two of them to get base image. Well, this one has some color of lips and eyeshadows too. That's pretty cool. Yeah, one more thing I want to try. Okay, I'm going to duplicate this layer again and let's see the effect on this layer. I'm interested in Gaussian blur these days. Maybe 6%, 7. Yeah, leave it this way and let's see, change this blend mode again to darken. See this much, and then tone down about 80, kind of settle some what can I say, darker work, like using that diffuser to get this kind of dark smudged image in effect. When you have experience to work on darkroom, then maybe black and white or color, you can get this kind of effect. Well, just leave it this way and let's get this one as a base image. So I'm gonna merge down again, or let's see, I wonder if I want to go back. Then I should keep both, huh? Yep. Okay, now I'm gonna take these layers 2 out of group, then just delete this group. Then I'm gonna change names all 4 layers. Rename. Alright, I changed the name. This is this is original image, then pencil drawing type image, then luminosity effect image. Then last one is luminosity effect layer, Gaussian blur. Now I'm gonna, it's these 2 layers are grouped as one effect, this one, because I changed to darker. Now I want to move, well, just keep for this group, but I have to make 1 layer, I think. So keep it, duplicate layer, duplicate group, then turn it off to keep 1 group. Then I'm gonna merge down this one, flatten. Okay, I got this image, luminosity effect, again, luminosity effect, blur image, blur effect. Now I wanna, let's see, I'm gonna move this group all the way bottom, no touch, just off. Then move this pencil drawing type image, go up. Then turn it off right now. Now I'm gonna, this image is gonna be the base. So I'm gonna move this original image up. Well, I have to duplicate, then just wanna keep this one, this, bring this one, move this one, go down into group. Yeah, this group is just for keep. Okay, now I'm gonna just make mask, then invert mask, reveal with sketching to Bonobo chalk texture. Reveal is how much you want to show this original image to new illustration base image, huh? I think that's the point. Then also I have this effect of the blur image. That's cool. I will leave this kind of texture. Then also I want to add now the color. Let's see, add layer, then change blend mode on this new layer, color. So it's not, it's gonna show the colors first. Let me check this. About 4, maybe. I guess show this color, I have to move it up. Yeah, that's too dark, is it? So clear layer, then add again, breathe in. Okay, pretty cool, I think. Yeah, some blue cast on shadow side. I like that. Well, let's see this pencil drawing type image now. Change to darken, multiply. This is interesting too. Divide. Wow, some kind of image. I just want to keep this image. That's pretty cool. Color burn. I kind of like this too. Now I'm gonna add layer, then fill in with white and make mask. Now reveal with evolve. Okay, this is a color burn effect. So I'm going to duplicate this pencil drawing type image. One of this, just move up. Then change blend mode to darken. So we see the lines. But I want this pencil drawing type image to be more lighter. Only the black lines. So let's see, use curves. Use curves. Then take this half-tone image out, so go up, lighten up all the way, about this much. Then darker lines go up here to make it more contrast. I see more lines here, so okay, before, now, yeah, about this side, that's fine. Okay, leave it this way. Now, I'm gonna review again, so okay, now change the brush to Okinawa chalk. Now go detail with Okinawa chalk texture. I want to add one more layer to add color. Okay, I'm gonna add over this pencil drawing type image under this white layer mask. Okay, add layer for color, brush, evolve, orange, white layer off. Then I'm gonna paint first. Now I'm gonna reveal. The mask. Well, I want to change this color, so I'm going to use hue, change hue. Yeah. Okay. This is base image. This is from original with mask. Now this is color, makeup, and also this blue cast, green cast. Then this is the effect of the pencil drawing layered blend mode with color burn. It's darker. Then this is background. I add blue or color first, but I change the hue to greenish, more saturated color. Add green, and this is the white mask with just mask this part, reveal, then add some black lines over top layer, with and without. I think, yeah, nice to have black lines. Well, I guess that's it. Some kind of illustration. Nice. Yeah, well, thank you for watching my video, and I hope this movie is gonna give you some kind of idea for your creative work, and changing blend mode, and we're using the mask to hide and reveal some part of your image. Well, thank you again, and you guys have a nice day, and see you next time. Bye now. Ciao.